In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Getresponse lists. We'll walk through the fastest click-by-click way to get new people into your email list, whether you're adding a single subscriber or importing a larger group from a file. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can do this confidently on your own. Start on your Getresponse dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in. Look for the option called Quick Actions. It's usually easy to spot, and it's designed to give you shortcuts to the most common tasks. Go ahead and click on Quick Actions, and then choose Add Contacts. This is your starting point for bringing new people into your account. Next, you'll need to choose where these contacts should go. You'll see a drop-down menu that lets you select your target list. Click that drop-down and pick the specific list you want to add people to. Take a moment here to double-check that you're choosing the correct list, especially if you manage multiple audiences, like customers, leads, or newsletter subscribers. Having the right list selected will keep your contacts organized and make future email campaigns much easier to manage. Now, you'll choose the method you want to use. Getresponse gives you two main options. You can select one by one, which is perfect when you just have a few people to add manually. Or you can choose Upload a File, which is ideal if you have a larger list already saved as a CSV or XLSX file. If you go with the one-by-one method, you'll see fields where you can type in the person's name and email address. Enter those carefully and make sure the email is spelled correctly because typos here can cause bounce issues later on. If you choose to upload a file, you can simply drag and drop your CSV or XLSX file into the upload area, then click Next. Before you do this, it's a good idea to quickly scan your file to make sure your columns are clean and clearly labeled, like having a column for name and another for email. Whichever method you use, you'll see a checkbox confirming that you have permission to add this person to your list. Make sure you check that box. This is important for compliance and ensures that the people you're adding have agreed to hear from you. Once everything looks good, you're ready to complete the process. Click Add Contact if you're adding someone manually, or Import if you're adding contacts from a file. After that, your contacts will be added to the list you selected, and you'll be all set to start sending them campaigns.